Have you ever spent time making homemade pizza only to end up with a soft, pale crust that tastes nothing like your favorite pizzeria? The truth is, most home ovens simply don't get hot enough. But this countertop pizza oven claims to solve that problem. And today we're finding out if it actually delivers. Today we're taking a closer look at the Piezano XL 14-inch electric pizza oven, a countertop pizza maker designed for home cooks who want restaurant-style pizza without investing in a large outdoor pizza oven. Whether you're making classic cheese pizza, homemade dough recipes, frozen pizzas, or experimenting with gourmet toppings, this compact appliance promises crispy, stone-baked results in just a few minutes. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is its compact but purposeful design. Unlike bulky outdoor pizza ovens that require propane or wood, the Piezano sits comfortably on your kitchen countertop and plugs into a standard electrical outlet. Its sleek black finish gives it a modern appearance, while the sturdy construction feels solid enough for regular family pizza nights. The ceramic baking stone sits at the center of the cooking surface, giving the oven an authentic pizzeria feel, and because the stone is removable, cleaning afterward is much easier than many people expect. One feature that immediately separates this oven from a standard kitchen oven is temperature. Most household ovens top out around 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which often isn't enough to create that crispy, blistered crust people love. The Piezano reaches temperatures up to 800 degrees, allowing pizzas to cook much faster while developing a crisp base and nicely browned cheese. That's one of the biggest reasons pizza from dedicated pizza ovens often tastes noticeably different from pizza baked in a conventional oven. Another thoughtful feature is the independent top and bottom heat controls. Instead of relying on a single heating element, you can adjust each side separately to match the type of pizza you're making. If your crust needs a little more crispness or your toppings need extra browning, those controls give you flexibility without making the oven difficult to operate. The built-in thermometer also helps you monitor cooking temperatures, making it easier to achieve consistent results from one pizza to the next. In everyday use, this oven performs impressively for its size. Once preheated, pizzas can cook in well under 6 minutes, depending on thickness and toppings. That means less waiting and more eating, especially when you're making several pizzas for family or friends. It's also surprisingly enjoyable to use because everyone can customize their own pizza with different toppings, turning dinner into more of an activity than simply preparing a meal. The ceramic pizza stone deserves special mention because it distributes heat evenly across the bottom of the pizza. Instead of ending up with burnt edges and a soggy center, the crust cooks more consistently, creating the kind of texture many people struggle to achieve in a regular oven. It also works well for flatbreads, garlic bread, and other baked favorites, giving the appliance a bit more versatility beyond pizza alone. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Once the stone cools completely, it can be removed for easier maintenance, and the smooth exterior wipes clean with minimal effort. Like any pizza stone, you'll want to avoid harsh soaps on the ceramic surface, but overall, cleanup is much less intimidating than many first-time buyers expect. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. While the oven accommodates pizzas up to 14 inches, it's primarily designed for countertop convenience rather than large family-size commercial cooking. You'll also want to give it enough ventilation because temperatures this high naturally produce a lot of heat. And since it uses a 3-prong plug, make sure you have a compatible outlet before purchasing. Compared with similarly priced indoor pizza ovens from brands like Presto or Betty Crocker, the Piezano stands out by offering significantly higher cooking temperatures, a genuine ceramic pizza stone, adjustable upper and lower heating controls, and faster cooking times. While premium outdoor ovens may produce even more authentic wood-fired flavor, they also require considerably more space, fuel, and investment. Overall, the Piezano XL electric pizza oven is an excellent choice for anyone who loves homemade pizza but wants better results than a conventional oven can typically provide. It's easy to use, heats up quickly, cooks impressive pizzas in minutes, and delivers the crispy crust that many home cooks have been chasing for years. If you'd like to check today's latest price or availability, You'll find the link waiting in the description below. And if this review helped you make a smarter buying decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.